Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you guys are great. So in today's video I'm going to try on the wig of the week, and it's going to be this beautiful twisted wig. So just comment down below if you love the color, if you love the style on me, and also if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll make it for you.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but